I can show you the visual through this area, this is how the area looks like. There are forces who are now in restoration, and this is a big power station in Ashdod in the southern side of Israel, which has been hit now. And the impact of the missile has been quite big because of the intensity of this missile. If you can see the visuals out here, the pictures, if we can show here to our viewers, this is India Today exclusive from the spot where the missile has hit Ashdod in Israel. This happens to be a port city which was hit, and this is the area which is under a periphery of 200 to 500 meters of this whole location. You can see that how the people who were present here, they were now evacuated, they were brought outside, they were in this area, and the power station has been hit. There is a report of power outage in this whole location, and this is very important to understand that this has been the strategy of Iran to hit the important sites across Israel. So the biggest attack so far in last 11 days has been the Ashdod center attack, where the power station has been hit, and you see this is just right next to the highway here in Israel where this attack has happened. So the security forces are at the spot. They are trying to clear the situation. They are trying to locate for any kind of explosives that have remained unexploded in this attack. So this is how this is going on in this area in Israel after this big attack happened in Ashdod. And we are getting you the exclusive picture on India Today of this particular attack in Israel. This happens to be one of the high intensity bombing that has happened in Israel on Ashdod, which happens to be a major power station. And after this attack, there are reports of power outages in Israel around this area. So this is how, this is one more major attack that has happened in Israel in Ashdod.
Absolutely, Shivani, and I think you've pointed out a very crucial thing here, which is the fact that this is another port city that's been hit. There are, let's tell our viewers this, there are 3 main port cities in Israel. Before this, we'd already seen an attack on Haifa, and now this is, I would say, the second port city in Israel, a crucial one that's being hit, that is Ashdod.
Certainly, see, this is how this attack has happened. The impact of this attack is very much evident on this particular electric board, the sign board out here. And you see the signs of damage. If I can show our viewers what it looks like, this is how the missile has fallen here, and this is how there are impacts on ground in this particular location in Ashdod, where the restoration work is going on. This is how you see the power grid looks like, and this was a deliberate attempt of Iran, a target which was selected of a very important area in Ashdod, where which happens to be the power hubs in Israel. So this is the port city of Israel, where multiple refineries are there, multiple power plants are there, multiple projects that are important and crucial projects of Israel which are present. So this is one big attack that has taken place in Israel in last 11 days, and there can be more attacks from Iran in Israel as the caution is high, the alert is high. The IDF has been alerting the people, and the sirens have been going on. So this is Ashdod attack site, where we are showing the exclusive pictures to our viewers on India Today of this big blow in Israel that has coming from Iran.
Absolutely, Shivani. And the Israel Electric Company has come out to now report of the power outage, which we are both mentioning of at this given point. Can you give us an idea of the extent to which this power outage can, the fallout it's had over southern Israel? Because if you could tell us about the areas which it has affected more clearly.
As I was telling you, that this is Ashdod area, which is the southern Israeli port city on the western side. And you see the whole city of Ashdod is now facing power issues after this attack. The restoration work is going on because, Israel wants to keep its citizens safe in the time of crisis because more such attacks might be impending. So to keep people alert, power is important. To keep people safe, power is extremely important at this point in time. So this is the restoration work that is going on here in this power station. But certainly the whole city has been impacted because this seems to be a very big power station. You see the kind of infrastructure out here in this Ashdod power station. So you can imagine how important it is for this whole area's power supply. So this is a big center in Israel which has been hit now with the impact of an Iranian missile. Certainly a big attack, and what we are being told that this is the biggest attack in last 11 days because the air raids went on for the maximum period of time during this attack was being done.
Right, Shivani. So we were discussing earlier about how Iran has promised and vowed of retaliation. Would you say this marks probably the beginning of that in terms of attacks, since we are seeing this to be one of the biggest attacks that's taken place in the last 11 days ever since the Israel-Iran escalation began?
Certainly, see, what we are seeing and witnessing from ground is that the attacks that have been coming in from Iran have become quite aggressive, especially in last 2 days. The reason being why? Because the United States has hit directly inside Iran on the nuclear sites. So this is a retaliatory attempt and a more aggressive one, a kind of messaging that Iran is now trying to give that, I am not going to bow down. I'll hit with more force. And that's what we are seeing on ground because everybody was expecting that after United States of America has hit, there can be some changes in the attitude of Iran. But now what we are saying is that there is no change. Rather, the attacks have become more aggressive and more forceful. And we see that out here. This is the kind of restoration that goes on in Ashdod.